what all checks to be carried out in SCBA before donning, weekly checks, monthly checks and yearly checks. Everything we will discuss in this video. Okay, so this is the SCBA I have. Okay, and this is called the bottle, SCBA bottle, and this is called the harness. Okay, this part is called the hose. This is pressure gauge, pressure regulator valve, and this is the face mask. Okay, so these all the parts are there for the SCBA. So first of all, before donning, what all have to be checks carried out. Okay, so before donning, first we will check the normal condition, general condition, it is good or not. Okay, then make sure your bypass valve is closed. Bypass valve is closed. What is the bypass valve? This is the face mask, and here is the valve. This is the bypass valve. It means, what is meant by bypass valve? If you press this bypass valve, the air will be continuously flowing. And what is the demand valve? If you suck the air, okay, then only it will give you the air. Means on demand it will give you the air. So this is the basic difference between the demand valve and the bypass valve. Bypass valve will always give you the air supply continuously, and demand valve, on demand it will give you the air supply when you inhale. So we will first check the general condition of the SCBA, and then we will open the valve. Okay, we will open the valve. You hear the sound? So the pressure rises from 0 to the maximum pressure of the bottle. Okay, so if we hear the sound, it means our whistle is working good. Okay, so after open, you close it again. Okay, after closing, check that the pressure will not drop within 30 seconds. If the pressure is dropped within 30 seconds, it means the seat, what is called the seat, this part somewhere it is leaking. Okay, if it is not dropping, if the pressure is not dropping within 30 seconds, it means the arrangement is tight and it is okay to use, it is not leaking. This is number one test. Number two test is the whistle test. While opening you will see, and then you have to wear this mask. Okay, you have to wear this mask and inhale, and so that you will see that all the sides will be sucked, and it is like a vacuum. Why? Because there is no supply and you are inhaling, you are sucking the air, but there is no supply, so it will create a vacuum. If it is not creating a vacuum, then your this mask on the side edges is leaking, and you don't have to use that. Okay, so I will try out the mask test. Okay, so in this way we will check if our mask is airtight or not airtight by wearing it. Okay, so these all checks you have to carry out fast within 1 minute, 2 minutes, just to check everything, all the equipments are in order before wearing. Now this is the checks to be carried out before wearing. I hope it is helpful for you. Thank you.